In this video, I am going to solve the model question paper for the year 2021 to 2022, which is issued by Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board. In this video, I am going to solve the fourth main question. 25th question is prove that the tangents drawn to a circle from an external point are equal. The theorem here is the length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Given a circle with the center O, P is a point lying outside the circle. PQ and PR are the two tangents from the point P. To prove PQ is equal to PR. Construction: join OQ, OR and also join OP. Proof: observe the angles OQP and ORP. They are right angles because they are the angles between the radii and the tangent. So, in right angle triangles OQP and ORP, we can observe that OQ is equal to OR because they are the radii of the same circle. OP is equal to OP. It is the common side to both the triangles. Therefore, triangle OQP is congruent to triangle ORP because of RHS theorem. So, PQ is equal to PR, corresponding parts of congruent triangles CPCT, hence proved. The next question, that is 26th. Find the mean of the following data by direct method. We know that the formula to find the mean by direct method is summation of Fi xi upon summation of Fi. So now create a column for xi, that is the midpoint of the class interval. We can observe that 10 plus 30, that is 40, 40 by 2 is 20. 30 plus 50 by 2 is 40, 50 plus 70 by 2 is 60, 70 plus 90 by 2 is 80. So we have to calculate summation of Fi xi. So let us create a column for Fi xi, that is the product of frequency and xi. 2 into 20, that is 40, 6 into 40, 240, 10 into 60, 600, 2 into 80, that is 160. Let us find the sum, that is summation of Fi xi, that is 1040. Let us find the sum of frequencies, that is summation of Fi, that is equal to 20. We know that mean is equal to summation of Fi xi by summation of Fi, that is equal to 1040 by 20, 0 and 0 get cancels, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. So that is equal to 52. There is an internal choice question for this one. Find the mode of scores in the following data. Data is given. Here we can observe that the highest frequency is 9. So the maximum class frequency is 9. The class corresponding to the maximum frequency is 3 to 5. So the model class is 3 to 5. Here the lower limit of the model class is 3. Class size is 2 because 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. Class size is 2. We can observe that the frequency of the model class is 3 to 5, that is 9. The frequency of the model class is F1, that is 9. F0, the frequency of the class preceding to the model class, that is 1, 2, 3. preceding to the model class, that is 6. Frequency is 6. F2, the frequency of the class succeeding to the model class, that is 5 to 7 is the class succeeding to the model class. Frequency is 2 here, you can observe. Next step is to write the formula for the mode and then substitute the respective values, get the value like this, then simplify. You can observe that 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, you can get cancel, simplify in the next step. 3 by 5 is 0.6, so mode is 3 plus 0.6, that is 3.6, so mode is 3.6. Evaluate 4 sin 30 plus tan 48 into tan 42 minus 3 tan 45. This is the 27th question. Write 4 sin 30 as such. Convert tan 45 into cot 42 because tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. They are complementary ratios. Minus 3 tan 45. That is equal to 4 sin 30 plus cot 42 can be rewritten as 1 by tan 42 because cot theta and tan theta are reciprocal ratios. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta minus 3 tan 45. 4 here tan 42 in the numerator and denominator can get cancelled. That is equal to 4 into sin 30 is half plus 1 minus 3 tan 45 is 1. Here you can observe 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 minus 3 that is equal to 0. Our question is there, internal choice question. 6 cos 30 minus sin 30 plus sin square 45 plus cos square 45. That we can write cos 60 as half minus sin 30 is also half plus sin square 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2, so we can write it as 1 by root 2 the whole square plus cos square 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, so we can write it as 1 by root 2 the whole square. Here we can observe 2 1s are 2, 3s are, so we can write here 3 minus half 1 by root 2 the whole square is 1 by 2. Here also 1 by root 2 the whole square is 1 by 2. Here plus and minus half can get cancelled. 3 plus half that is equal to 3 and half. 28th question. Yield of coconuts grown in a village by 15 farmers is as follows. Draw less than type ogive. Here information is given. Number of coconuts, cumulative frequency. We are given cumulative frequency. So no need to find cumulative frequency. It has become very easier. Let us have upper limits along the x-axis and cumulative frequency along the y-axis. Upper limit we know it 50, 75, 100, 125 like that. 2, 4, 6, 8 cumulative frequency. Then draw the points. Plot the points 52, 75, 4 like that. Go on plotting the points. Join them by a smooth curve which is less than type ogive. The next question is that is 29th. The slant height of the frustum of cone is 4 cm and the perimeter of its circular ends are 18 cm and 16 cm. Then find the curved surface area of the frustum of the cone. Let us have the figure. Here 2 pi r1 means the perimeter of the upper end 18 cm. 2 pi r2 perimeter of the lower end, that is 16 centimeter. We know that and slant height L is equal to 4 centimeter. We know that curved surface area of the frustum of the cone is pi into R1 plus R2 into L. Let us find R1 here. We are not given. 2 pi R1 it is given 18 centimeter. R1 is equal to 18 by 2 pi. Transpose 2 pi to RHS. That is equal to 9 by pi centimeter. Likewise, let us calculate R2. 2 pi R2 is 16. R2 is 16 by 2 pi, that is equal to 8 by pi centimeter. So, curved surface area of the frustum of cone, we know the formula pi into R1 plus R2 into L. Let us substitute the values. Pi, R1 is 9 by pi plus R2 is 8 by pi, L is 4. That is equal to pi. 9 by pi plus 8 by pi is 17 by pi into L. Here pi and pi can get cancelled. So 17 into 4, that is 68 centimeter square. There is an internal choice question for this one. A toy is in the form of a hemisphere surmounted on a cylinder of height 10 centimeter as shown in the figure. If the radius of the cylinder is 3.5 centimeter, find the volume of the toy. Here what is given? Hemisphere. That is surmounted on a cylinder of height 10 centimeter. If the radius of the cylinder is 3.5, we have to find the volume of the toy. But we have to know the radius of the hemisphere also, that is equal to 3.5 since cylinder and hemisphere stand on the same base. So volume of the toy is equal to volume of the hemisphere plus volume of the cylinder. Here volume of the hemisphere is equal to, we know the formula, 2 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of the cylinder pi r square h. Let us simplify, take the common factors outside. Pi r square is common here into 2 by 3 r plus h. Pi is 22 by 7, radius is 3.5 square, 2 by 3 into radius is 3.5 plus h is 10 centimeter. We can convert 3.5 into 7 by 2. You know why? Let us convert it. Here also 2 by 3 into 3.5 is 7 by 2 plus 10. Let us simplify. 7 can get cancelled. 2 1s are, 2 11s are. Here also 2 and 2 can get cancelled. So 11 7s are 77 by 2 into 7 by 3 plus 10. That is equal to 77 by 2 into 37 by 3. Take LCM of 7 by 3 and 10, it is 3, then add. Then multiply 77 into 37, 2849. That is equal 2 into 3 is 6. You can write the answer as it is or convert into fraction, not a decimal. 474.83 centimeter cube. So volume of the toy is 474. 30th question is, the sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each prize. What is given here? Sum of rupees 700. So Sn is 700, 7 cash prize. So N is 7. We have to find the value of each prize. Let the first prize be A. Then next price is 20 less than 8. So second price is a minus 20. Third price is a minus 20 minus 20, that is a minus 40, and so on. So the series is a comma a minus 20 comma a minus 40. Since the common difference is same, it is an AP. To find AP, here a is a, d is a minus 20 minus a, that is minus 20. So we know the formula for Sn. Let us write it. Then putting a is equal to a, d is equal to minus 20, Sn is equal to 700. Substitute in the formula. We can get like this. Here in the next step we can transpose 7 by 2 LHS, and here we can observe 7 minus 1 is 6. Let us do it in the next step. 700 into 2 by 7 is equal to 2a plus 6 into minus 20. Why I have written 2 by 7 here? It is multiplied in the RHS. So when we bring to LHS, it is get multiplied, divided. So 7 ones are 7 hundreds are 6 minus 6 into minus 20 in the next step, that is minus 120. 100 into 2, 200, that is equal to 2a minus 120. Further simplification leads to 2a is equal to 200 plus 120. So 2a is 320. We can observe. So a is equal to 320 by 2. So a is equal to 160. So the first price is 160, second price is 140, third price is 140 minus again 20, that is 120. Fourth price is 120 minus 20, that is 100. Fifth price is 80. Sixth price is 60. Seventh price is 40 rupees. Don't forget to put rupees there. 31st question. Find the area of the triangle ABC whose vertices are A 2, 2, B 3, 4 and C minus 1, 3. Solution. We are given the points A 2, 2, B 3, 4 and C minus 1, 3 are the vertices of the triangle. We have to find the area of the triangle. The formula is half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is the formula. Well, let us have the triangle with the respective vertices A, B, C. Let us substitute the values in it in the formula. Let the point, this point be x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Substitute the values half into 2 into 4 minus 3 plus 3 into 3 minus 2 plus minus 1 into 2 minus 4. In the next step, simplify. Half into 2 into 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 3 into 3 minus 2 is 1 minus 1 into minus 4 minus 2. In the next step, half into 2 plus 3 minus 1 into minus 2, that is plus 2. Simplify, that is equal to 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 by 2 square units. Don't forget to write square units there. Internal choice question is there. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line joining points 6, minus 2 and 10, 8. What is given here? Line joining points 6, minus 2 and 10, 8. We have to find the coordinates of points of trisection. Let P and Q be the points of trisection here. that is AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. So we can observe that the point P divides AB internally in the ratio 1:2. So we can find the coordinates by applying section formula, that is, you know the section formula, write it neatly and substitute the respective values and then simplify. Here A x1 y1 is equal to A 6 minus 2, B x2 y2, that is equal to B 10, 3. Apply the values 1 into 10 plus 2 into 6 upon 1 plus 2, 1 into 8 plus 2 into minus 2 upon 1 plus 2. You can observe that P x comma y is equal to 22 by 3 comma 4 by 3 put within the bracket. Now Q divides the line internally in the ratio 2:1. So apply section formula in the same way. So you can get like this. After simplification you get Qxy is equal to 26 by 3 comma 14 by 3 put within the bracket. Therefore the coordinates of the points of trisection of the segment joining the points A and B are P 22 by 3 4 by 3 and Q 26 by 3 14. 32nd question. Construct a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point 9 cm away from the center. The step 1 is draw a circle of radius 4 cm with center O. The step 2 is take a point 9 cm away from the center. Let the point be P. Step 3, we have to join the point OP. Step 4, bisect the line OP like this. Let the point of bisection be M. Step 5, taking M as a center and MO as radius, draw a circle. Let it intersect the given circle at points Q and R. Step 6, join PQ and PR, then PQ and PR are the required tangents. 33rd question. In the figure ABCD is a square of side 14 cm with center ABCD. 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles as shown in the figure. Find the area of the shaded region. What is given here? ABCD, a square of side 14 cm and 4 circles like this with center ABCD. So the radius of each circle is 14 by 2. Why? The side of the square is 14. 14 by 2, half of the side of the square, that is 7 cm. You have to find the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region is equal to, you can observe, area of the square minus areas of 4 quadrants. Area of square is side square minus area of quadrant is pi r square by 4 into 4 because area of 4 quadrants. Here you can observe 4 and 4 can get cancelled. Then we have to substitute the values. Side is 14 square, 22 by 7, radius is 7 square. 14 square, 22 by 7, 7 into 7, you can observe 7 and 7 can get cancelled. 14 square is 196, 22 into 7 is 154, so that is equal to 42 centimeter. So area of the shaded region is 42 centimeter square.